Umsolwa wesibili eceleni lokubulawa kaMethuli wezinhlelo zethelevishini uWarwick Stock obedume ngelika DJ Warras ukhale ngokwesatshiswa ejele laseSun City. Lo msolwa ubevele enkantolo yemantshi yaseGoli namhlanje. Icala lakhe lahlehliselwa uLwesithathu.
Ngomlomo wommeli wakhe, umsolwa uArmindo Phakula odabuka eMozambique uqinisekisile ukuthi ukulelizwe ngokungemthetho, kanti-ke utshele inkantolo ukuthi uyasilaxaza isicelo sebheyili.
He informs me that in the circumstances that the address is negative and he is illegal in the country, he is abandoning bail.
Inkantolo ikuvumile ukuba umsolwa agcinwe ejele laseModa B eBenoni njengoba ecele ukuba angabuyiselwa ejele laseSun City ngoba esabela impilo yakhe emva kokusatshiswa.
Because according to him, he is informing me that there are people who killed his friend, and he is afraid that he might be killed if he may be incarcerated and Johannesburg Correctional Services.
Inxusa leMozambique belithamelele licala lithi lizimisele ukusebenzisana nalelizwe uma kuvela izingqinamba ezithinta abantu abadabuka ezweni lalo, kanti-ke likuvumile nokuthi kunabantu baseMozambique abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho.
We have many Mozambicans living in South Africa. Not all of them are illegal. They're staying in the country legally. And there are those, of course, who cross the border illegally. But then, if they are legally in the country, we are there as the consulate, as representatives of the government of Mozambique to cooperate in order to clarify issues.
uArmindo Phakula uzobuyela enkantolo ngoLwesithathu kanye nosolwa ngokuba ungqondongqondo kuleli cala uVictor Majola. Ukusho kwabameli bakaPhakula kungenzeka alivume icala ngoLwesithathu enkantolo ngoba enethemba lokuthanjiselwa isigwebo. uPhakula waboshwa ngasekupheleni kukaMasingana esemjondolo yaseMarathon ekuruleni.